Let's have a look at another 2 cards. The 8 of Swords. This is feeling trapped, nowhere to go, no way to get out of the situation. But actually, she can just move a little bit backwards and cut the bandages with the sword. And there's an opening in the front. She can walk out of there. Together with the Wheel of Fortune, this is a really positive card of your fortunes turning. What is down must always turn to the up, and also equally what is at the top will again turn to the bottom. So this is really changing your fortune. Where you think you are in a situation which you can't get out of, there is always a way out and a way to change your fortune. So yeah, I feel I'm just going to leave it at that. That there's always a way to get yourself out of your current situation and to change your fortune. I feel that is really, for all of us who's feeling very negative and down and feel that there's no way out, look at things differently, things, the way you don't see things, different angles, step back, break those bandages, and that will really change your fortune.